Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will be building a Valentine's Day gift for my children. So this is all the candy. This is a pug gift bag for my son. One for my daughter. She's 16. The other one is for my 13-year-old daughter. So let's get started. So I've got some Sour Patches. Hurry up, cause he gotta go. Oh, so sorry about that, you guys. But anyway, so here's the boy one that I made. Here's the girl one. And here's the other girl. This is for a 13-year-old, 16-year-old. And just if you want to make a gift for somebody older, I put this together. So I have all these roses, and since I have an extra bag, I bought this from, I forgot what store, and I really like this cross, so I'm going to put it inside the bag as a gift. Oops. Okay, so I have to open the bag off camera. But anyway, you can use this as a gift. This is real lovely. Okay, so I'm going to put it in this bag. Then I'm going to add 5. I'm going to do that later. You add the same thing. Most people like sweets unless they are diabetic. And then I'm just going to add the rest of the remaining candy. And then I have these little hearts or whatever. Candy hearts. They have different chocolates inside. Stick that in there. Then you can top it off with lovely roses. And this could be for a grown-up, which will be mine, because I don't have a Valentine this year. And so, this is all 3 of them. There's the other one. Just simple gift bag for Valentine's Day. So, thank you guys for watching. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you guys, family, are blessed. Stay blessed. Always pray. And like to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.